Hey, I'm Luke Williams, and I was lucky enough to get a fresh turkey out of the field this morning, so I got it breasted out. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to prep and cook one of my favorite recipes, the poppers. The first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and try to get all the silver skin off of my turkey breast. Not everybody wants to take the time to pull the silver skin, but I do because I really feel like it helps absorb while it's sitting in the soak. All right, once you have the silver skin off, we're gonna go ahead and cut this into chunks. Doesn't matter how large or small you make your chunks, however, I usually do about an inch cube. Once you have it all chunked out, now we're gonna soak it. And I like to use Dale's Low Sodium. Now everybody uses something different, so you can use whatever you like. However, this is one of my favorites, and I really think the soy-based product helps bring out the turkey flavor without bringing out the gamey flavor. All right, so as you can tell, the chunks don't have to be exactly perfect. Turkey's gonna taste good no matter what shape it is. We just want it to be as close as possible to chunks so that we can wrap it tomorrow with the bacon, and then so the cheese and jalapeno will sit perfect on top of it. So we're gonna go ahead and get this in the fridge, let it sit for 24 hours, and then we're gonna be ready to go on with our recipe and then get these on the grill. All right, we let our wild turkey soak for the past 24 hours. Now, gonna get this grill fired up, gonna grab the turkey, finish prepping, and get it cooking. All right, while the grill's heating up, we're gonna go ahead and finish prepping our turkey, and we're gonna be doing what any good loving American should be doing. That's right, adding bacon to it. I mean, you should add bacon to everything. I don't know why you wouldn't add bacon to it. But we're gonna get it wrapped around it, get a toothpick stuck through it, and then we're gonna get it out and put it on the grill. All right, now that we got the first part on the grill, we're gonna head inside and get our cheese cut up into some small slices. Once you're a couple of minutes in, you can stick your cheese on the toothpick and then put your jalapeno on top of that, and then we're gonna let it cook to temp. All right, so for this, I'm gonna cook my turkey to about 170. Once it's ready is when I'm gonna pull it off, and that cheese should be melted. Oh, and it looks good. This is perfect. So we're gonna get it off on the plate and start chowing down. All right, now I'm gonna tell you, this is one of my favorite recipes for wild turkey that I cook, and Ellie loves when I kill a wild turkey because it's her favorite thing in the world, just without the jalapeno. She doesn't love that. There you go, girl, go get it. All right, guys, I wanna know, what other recipes do you use at home for wild turkey? Let me know in the comments below, and then make sure you head to Raider Red's YouTube channel and hit subscribe. From the cabin, I'm Luke Williams.